Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be painting some pink fluffy clouds on the water with sparkles. I'm using magenta, permanent rose, Prussian blue, Payne's grey and titanium white. The ratio of permanent rose to white is approximately 3 parts white to 1 permanent rose. We're just going to get the basic outline of our clouds using a mop brush. Don't worry too much about the cloud shapes, just use your imagination and get a general outline going of the shape you like. And maybe let's put some paint on the water too, just to cover the canvas. To get the bluey-grey colour for the shadows in the clouds, I'm using approximately 3 parts white to 1 part Prussian blue, maybe a half part of Payne's grey. I'm using a size 4 fill bit to blend in all of the different colours. using a chisel blender. It's quite good for blending colours together, especially for smaller areas. Just blend that in a little more. And now I'm just taking my 0 round just to put in some sparkles, some detail. There we go. We're just adding our twinkle on the water. And add a few highlights on the clouds. You might like to watch this other video, which shows how to paint a really easy cloudy landscape. I hope you enjoyed today's painting video. If you did, please consider hitting the like button. See you next time.